Hello, and welcome to the Makers HQ. I'm Tatiana.
I'm Angel.
And we're a married couple who bought a sublimation machine, and now we're trying out lots of different things with this sublimation machine. All right, so this week we will be working on designs on tissue paper. All right, so we've done in the past some boxes and some packaging, and we really like it. And today Angel decided that we should try tissue paper. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so we already attached the paper to, so the sublimation paper to the tissue paper. We didn't mention before that we did press the tissue paper for about 5 seconds to make it flat, remove some of the wrinkles. So that's what we did. And so now we're ready to actually print, okay? So we're gonna print at 200, which is 395, approximately 400, 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, approximately.
Yes.
For 90 seconds, we decided?
Yes,
90 seconds, because we had actually done a quick test at different temperatures at different times, and we saw that at 135 seconds, it didn't make any difference based on the boxes that we had done before. So now we're just gonna do it at 90 seconds, which was a decent time at a good temperature. And the other thing is that because it's tissue paper, it goes through completely. So we did put a piece of brown craft paper so that it'll just absorb the ink and we don't have to mess up anything, okay?
And
so
the colors also don't come out like super strong,
Yeah.
because it's a see-through paper,
Exactly.
almost.
Exactly.
So you don't really see the brightness of the colors.
We don't see, like, we didn't see really dark blacks, but it worked and it was beautiful.
Yeah.
So,
Yes, and that's now that we are saying this, I think it's also because it goes through it.
yeah,
The
that's
ink
true.
goes through another paper, so
That's true.
it doesn't keep the ink, because it goes through, so you lose the ink.
Yeah, that's true. Well, anyway, we'll see the result. Right now, we did a design that has a full back, so we'll see what it looks like.
The design is the size of the machine, the whole thing.
Actual size of the machine. We left a little bit of a border at the time because we weren't sure if it was going to be, we were going to do it in 2 passes, but in the end we decided no, we're going to put it at the edge and we're going to make it exactly the size of the machine. Okay, so we'll be right back.
Okay,
All right.
so this, okay, here we go. It's I need to take the tape off.
Oh wait, did you put tape on all the sides?
Three different sides. Wait. Okay, one,
Okay.
and then pull it.
See? I can't pull it because of tape.
Yes, no. Like this.
All right. Wait. I don't want to touch it.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see. This is still attached. So on this side is the tissue paper, and on this side is the sublimation. As we can see, the sublimation didn't go all the way through. There's a lot left on.
Look, it went through.
Basically, there's 3 pieces of paper right now that have sublimation.
the same designs, but I don't think you can get more color than this. I believe that this is how much you can get, just because it went through the other paper onto the other paper too.
Yeah.
So all the ink it's going through. I don't know how to stop it. How do we stop the ink from going through?
Well, listen, it's good. If you're doing something now, if it's a question of are we going to do like 10 more videos checking to see how to do it, I think that each person has to test. Maybe the pressure could be increased in this case, but I don't think it makes that much of a difference. But we're gonna actually, for the next one, we're gonna try to increase the pressure and see if it makes a tiny bit of a difference. So we're gonna go on to the next one now, okay? So we're on to the second design, and we did increase the pressure, so we'll see if it makes a difference. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay, so we did realize something from the last one to this one. It was that there was a shiny side and a matte side, which you can't see, but you can feel when you touch the paper. And we had printed on the matte side. So I think that that's why it wasn't as...
We didn't realize. I mean, the difference is so little. You
It's
can't
very
even.
subtle.
Yeah.
But it's
so
not subtle in the way that it ended up
look
being.
how much ink it took compared to the other one. The other one is still. You know, we can also print the one that with the sunglasses.
Yes, we can.
Print it on this and.
Yeah, I think we're gonna do that. We're gonna take a piece of whatever is left and print the design again on the shiny side. Okay, so now our minds were blown by everything. So we increased we're gonna write all this in the description, but we did increase the time on this design because we had already used it and we wanted to see the difference between the one on the white and on the pink if our thing was right.
So check it out. This one, let's see.
It's very hot.
Oh wow!
Okay,
it's
so
a huge
it's the
difference.
White that has,
It's a white paper
that has the thing.
yeah.
Can you grab the thing? Let me show you. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, it's a
the
huge
white
difference.
That has the big, it doesn't have a coating to it.
Yeah, it's the white is not good for transferring colors or anything.
Or that paper.
Yeah. Well, yes, that paper. Yes, that paper.
That paper, because we did buy the paper like in one pack, just from basically the dollar store. So maybe something that is waxier would be better.
Yes, something that has a coating that looks like it has a coating or something on it.
Yeah. Can you grab the other one, babe, please?
Which one, the cupcakes?
No. Yeah.
So this is how huge difference.
Yeah, let me see. Like this is better to show.
Completely.
Yeah.
Insane. It's so insane that the paper, the other one, this is the first one with the ink that is supposed to transfer a lot and it didn't. And this is the second design. The second.
Oh yeah. The second pass transferred better than the first
I
one.
don't know. I guess the white. I feel like the white. It's I'm thinking that the color when they make paper with color, it must have some kind of
Finish.
A finish that doesn't because the paper the design doesn't transfer as much as the white. Look.
No.
There is nothing here.
That's insane.
So bottom line is that get color paper. Don't get the white one.
Well, or test your papers because that's it. On to the recap.
There you go.
Okay, so this is the recap.
Yes.
All right, so this is all the papers that we have.
We actually did another one now just to show you. Again, on white paper. We did this one. These are tiny what?
They're glamping tents.
So we did it, actually we don't know which side. This is the right side.
Yeah.
And again, the same results. The white ones are very opaque. They're not like, the color doesn't transfer very well.
No, but again, it's because it's this type of paper.
Yes,
it has no coating.
Yes, it has no coating. But if you get anything that has a coating, or which is the paper with color, this is pink. And look how we did a purple background and it just went through it. Look.
And you can see the tiny pink.
Yeah, whatever is white is gonna turn the color of the paper. It's gonna stay the color of the paper. So pink, and then the cupcakes, the donuts.
So
This is also pink, but the heat takes a little bit of the color off the paper because it was pinker, and the heat took the color a little bit. But that's fine. It still looks like look awesome. Looks very nice. And then lastly, this one.
And this is a good comparison to show when paper doesn't have the coating, and then when it does, because this is on the white that has no coating, and then this is on the pink that has the coating, and we can see already this was the paper, the sublimation paper had already been used, and it still is darker afterwards. So Now, this paper is perfect. Of course, we know what we can use tissue paper for. Angel is going to demonstrate with a tiny gift folding. But basically, if you do pieces.
So let's say you want to wrap something.
Exactly.
That's always my idea to, use this for something.
If somebody has a jewelry line, the small accessories, in this case, if they sell headphones and they want to put something in something small.
And remember that whoever makes a living wrapping gifts says, I'm sorry, I know I'm...
This is a sort of gift wrapping. It's like, okay, there you go. Perfect.
Something, you have to hide it.
And I'm not any better, so there you go.
You go like this,
you have a gift. Of course, you put the right thing.
If it had been, let's say, this paper, it would have been nicer. I'm just using this one, but it can be used as wrapping paper. It's very nice. Actually, I think I should use that one because it makes no sense to use.
No, but why don't we use this one in that to show? It's the same thing. I think it's okay.
It's okay.
I really think it's okay. And so you have it for that. And then if you're doing, if you have a business with the sublimation, this is I find this to be a great addition to your packaging, let's say, that you would do, that you offer as a service, because you can basically do, more than just offer like things that are generic. So this is one of the bags that we had sublimated in the past. And then this is with the sublimation paper. Now everything must go. But also, I'm going to remove this real fast from the bag. This is a logo, right? So if you want to offer someone who has their business for their branding, then this is a perfect idea. Of course, making sure that the paper that you use is paper that would give this result more than this result, okay? So the steps basically to doing the sublimation on tissue paper would first of all be to find the right paper before anything else. Then after you find the right paper, making sure that you sublimate onto the sublimation paper. You don't need anything special. Putting it onto the tissue paper, rather. And then just simply doing your sublimation. Always making sure that you have paper under it because it will go through a little bit.
Yeah, always. But this is fantastic.
I really like it.
It's super nice. Especially when you match this with the bags that we made, like this. We made this that also sublimated.
Exactly.
And then you have this. I mean, also, it's all like one big family.
It is one big sublimation family.
Yeah, you can actually have the whole combo, like bags and paper, and you can own everything. The designs, everything is yours.
I think that's awesome.
I think it's cool. I think it's super nice.
Okay, so I won't lie, I was a bit disappointed, but with the result on the white, but the pink made me redeem itself.
That's how we learn.
Yeah, exactly.
White.
Never. Or at least not this.
Kind of...
I would have to feel the tissue paper next time before I purchase it.
Yes.
So, yay or nay?
So.
Okay, so it's so.
Yeah,
it's half.
No, look. Let's put it this way. If you, this is what we know so far.
It's gorgeous.
This is actual fact. If you buy pink paper, you're gonna get this result.
If you buy pink paper with coating.
Yeah, with coating, you have to feel it like this.
Yeah.
And then if you buy white paper, you're not gonna get the same result.
No.
Even if you feel like it's soft, don't get the white paper.
And the coating has to be obvious because you can't tell.
If you ask me yes or no, yes to this.
Yes.
Get pink paper.
So pretty.
Get any color paper that has a coating and sublimate.
Yes.
No to white paper.
Weird.
Yeah. But to me, it's a yes. Because look, even this one, again, you have, this one looks nice. It transfers any color.
Yeah, it's good.
Cool.
It's good. It's cool, actually.
Like it's cool.
All right, I give it a yay.
Yes, me too.
All right.
Give it a C.
That's it. So, yay.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Okay, so that was so much fun. Thank you for watching. Okay, thank you so much for all the subscribers. We're enjoying seeing everybody and at least getting all the comments. We are actively listening to what everybody's saying, so we're gonna be making a little bit of the adjustments, I would say, right? To things that were suggested, and
they are good tips.
they're very good tips. So we're very excited to see what's going to be next when we try. And that's it. So thank you again. Please
like and subscribe.
yes, and come back to watch more of our videos. Bye.
Bye, guys.